Alright, y'all. Just giving you guys an update where I'm at right now. It's a new day. Yes, it is. WWE pun. Sorry. Another failed dad joke. Only issues I'm running into thus far. I switched the AC compressor and off of an '07 Max, and I'm trying to figure out where the hell do I get one of those from? Because I only had one, I guess, connector on the car itself, and I'm like, huh. So I'm gonna try to figure that out. Engine mounts bolted up. I got the driver or the transmission mount on. So now I'm just going through and put the starter in and what's that called? It's not the master slave. It's the other joint, the slave cylinder, I guess it's called. On. Let's see. Anything else, man? I'll just fill y'all in later. Alright, so I figured I'd just quickly walk through the steps on how to do this. This was the pigtail I pulled from the junkyard. I stripped the ends here, and I got some extra wire. I'll show you guys how to strip wire if you don't know how. Then I cut the proper pigtail off the harness, and again, strip them down. What you're gonna need is some shrink wrap, heat shrink wrap, extra wire just in case you need, of course, wire cutters or strippers. Alright, coming to y'all with an update. So I was able to extend the clips and got them connected. Try to give it a factory look. Sorry for the yellow electrical tape, that's all I had, but little deal. But it's all done right. This one was coming off the back of the motor. This one's gonna give me a little problems, but I got it in. You can see it's the green one. Right now, what I'm doing, there was two sensors here under the lower intake manifold that I took off. These right here, looking like that. I'm gonna go ahead and put the one off the old motor back on. Oops. One off the old motor back on, so I can get this part here, which is essentially where the cam sensor went, so I can start wiring in the cam sensors. So yeah, that's the update. I'll be back with y'all later. Yeah, we are doing the cam signal inverters. So what I've done so far, just to give you guys an update, this is the cam positioning sensor. It went here on the harness. I cut it. You can see the same colors here. And then I stripped the ends here. Alright? With the cam signal inverters, go on nisformance.com and make sure you've got the right one. I've got version 2, so essentially it takes out all the super thinking on the wiring. Black is ground. Red, I believe, is going to be my 12 volt power, and then the orange is like the signal. So I'm going to go black to black for ground. I'm going to go red to red for power, and for the signal I'm going to go orange to white. Now it's different on the other cam signal, on the other cam sensor clip. As you can see, this one is what looks to be like a yellow or an orange. Then I've got red and green, which is going to be the power. Then I've got black for the ground. But same thing. On this one, the 12 volt is going to be the red, the black is ground, and the signal is going to be this yellow or orange one. So on my second cam signal inverter, same thing. Ground, black, red, power, orange signal. And then we're going to go and splice that in, wire it up, use some shrink wrap, make it all pretty. Alright, you already know, time for the update. Wiring is done. I had to reshoot this video, so while you're watching it, you may see difference in colors in the electrical tape. But when you don't know, you don't know. You learn, you fix it. So I know for next time. Hopefully y'all gonna learn from my mistakes and not make them. So I'm gonna explain exactly what I'm talking about. So this is the cam signal inverter. Got that wired in for the first one. Second one's wired in also. That was fine. For the solenoids that's under the cam, just beneath the cam cover, I accidentally cut this pigtail, which is actually for the evap system, which actually for this, and then I ran it all the way down there. And I couldn't figure out why the hell am I missing something for this. So I went to a junkyard for something else. I went to go get some new intercooler piping, not intercooler piping, radiator something, whatever. Y'all know what I'm saying. And then I just happened to see a completely fine 3.5 motor, and I realized I cut the wrong part. So there's gonna be a green clip on the back side of here that was tucked in and hidden. And when I put the back part of the harness back on, I didn't notice it. And that's where I messed up at. So essentially, you're gonna unhide it or untuck it. It's gonna be here. You're gonna cut and then extend down to where you see that green clip is at. So yeah, just wanted to let y'all know. So remember, your green clip in the back may be hidden. Just look for it. It's like that long. You'll find it. Extend that one. Do not cut and extend the one for the evap. Don't do that. Working on the manifold now, and I'll get back with y'all once that's updated. Yep. All right. I got everything on. Let me explain the upper manifold real quick. Hopefully I got it right. This part is a makeshift plastic tee. Oh, mosquito. Sorry. I'm going to actually, I've ordered it online. All the auto stores didn't have any, but pretty much what you're gonna do is you're gonna run one pipe or hose to this end, and you're gonna run one all the way here, which is going to connect straight to here, and then you're gonna want to intersect this little piece to the one line. So you're gonna cut that one line in half, and that's where that T spacer comes in at. Boom, problem fixed. All right, stay tuned.